Is New York a community property state for divorce? When a marriage ends, one of the most pressing questions couples face is how their shared assets and debts will be divided. New York is not a community property state, meaning divorcing spouses do not automatically receive an equal 50-50th split of everything they built together. Instead, New York follows the equitable distribution model, which divides marital assets and debts fairly based on the specific circumstances of the marriage. In community property states, nearly all assets acquired during the marriage are treated as equally owned and split right down the middle upon divorce. New York's approach under Domestic Relations Law Section 236B gives courts broad discretion to weigh numerous statutory factors before making any final determination. A judge will consider the length of the marriage, each spouse's income and earning potential, and the contributions each person made to the household and to the other's career. Marital property in New York includes anything acquired by either spouse during the marriage, regardless of whose name appears on the title or deed. The marital home, retirement accounts, business interests, bank accounts, and vehicles purchased during the marriage are all commonly subject to equitable distribution. Separate property, such as assets owned before the marriage, inheritances, or personal injury compensation, generally remains with the spouse who owns it. However, when separate assets are mixed with marital funds, a process known as commingling, those assets can lose their separate status and become subject to division. For example, depositing inherited money into a joint account used for household expenses can transform what was once private property into a shared marital asset. Courts can also issue a distributive award when a particular asset, such as a closely held business, cannot be physically split between the two parties. Every divorce case in New York is unique, and the outcome of property division depends heavily on the financial records, contributions, and circumstances specific to that marriage. At the law office of Richard Roman Shum, ESQ, Manhattan lawyer Richard Roman Shum helps clients navigate property division, from the family home and retirement accounts to disputed business interests. Whether your case is resolved through negotiation or litigation, having a skilled attorney who understands New York's equitable distribution framework can make a meaningful difference in your financial future. Contact the law office of Richard Roman Shum, ESQ, located at 20 Clinton Street, FRNT, New York, New York 1002, United States, by calling 646-259-3416 to schedule a consultation and discuss how your marital property may be divided.